Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the primary app you want visible. This reduces context switching. Once the app is active, swipe up and hold or tap Recent to bring up multitasking. Make sure to tap the app icon at the top of its card and choose Split Screen or drag the app to the top of the screen. This pins it in place. This step sets up the first pane so you can add the second app without losing your current view or data. Next, pick the second app you want side by side. You can select it from Recent or open it from the app drawer. Once chosen, tap or drag that app into the empty half of the screen. Android will dock it opposite the first app. Make sure to adjust the divider between apps to allocate more space to the one you're interacting with. This lets you optimize visibility and controls for each app, improving multitasking efficiency. And to finish, use the center divider to swap apps or resize each pane. Dragging the divider fully to one edge closes split screen and returns you to a single app. Make sure to test touch targets after resizing so buttons remain reachable. If split screen won't activate, restart the recent apps overview or check gesture and multi-window settings in system. Sometimes permissions or a heavy background process block multitasking. This single troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.